Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a very simple toon shader. First off, adjust the sun's strength and position to your likings. After that, you will want to add a material to your object. Once you have that done, go into the Shaders tab. Delete the Principal BSDF and add a Diffuse BSDF. Disconnect the Diffuse BSDF from the material output. Connect it to a shader to RGB. Connect the shader to RGB to a color ramp. Then connect the color ramp to the surface of the material output. Change the color ramp to constant. Then you can mess around with the color ramp to your liking. To add the liner around the object, you need to have a camera. I already have a camera. You will need to add a grease pencil stroke. Then add a line art modifier to the stroke. You can change what it applies to. For now, I will choose object. Select the object/collection you wanted to have the stroke. Choose the color of the line art in the Materials tab. Change the layer to lines. You will only see it correctly from the camera's perspective. Change the thickness of the lines as desired. You can change camera to view if you want to see the line art as the perspective. And there you have it, a simple toon BSDF shader. See you guys next time.